How to keep frogs away from your house. The steady croaking of a frog under a window may be peaceful for the first few minutes, but hours or even days of it will be maddening. Insects are often attracted to lights near a porch or garage, and hungry frogs will invade properties to find that food. The potential invasion can be stopped by making the property less hospitable to the frogs. Things you will need: mesh fencing, insecticide, window screens. Turn off exterior lights around the house that attract insects. If the lights have to be on, leave them on for as short of a time as possible. Spray the property with insecticide, and clean up fallen leaves and cut grasses. All of these actions help eliminate the food source, and the frogs will move on when there is nothing left to eat. Drain any ponds and standing water near the home. Frogs need a consistent, reliable source of water for survival, and they want to hang around if there is no place to soak. Use sturdy mesh fencing to surround a decorative pond. Pull long weeds and grass around the house to minimize hiding places. The frogs feel safe among tall weeds and grass. Keep the grass mowed to a height of 2 or 3 inches, and clear away weeds and debris from under bushes and around garden spaces. Cover windows and window wells with screens to fend off frogs. Attach the screen to the exterior frame around the window, and lay sections of screening over open holes. Inspect screens once a month for holes, and replace them as frequently as necessary. Tips: warnings. If you've got a serious frog infestation, contact a professional exterminator.